Sorry. I'm gonna run magic wand for Bricks. I always bring extra magic wand every time I do a show. This is the stronger version. This one is for me, and this one is for you. Okay? Concentrate and do not break anything. You guys will be amazed in our magician right here at the guy's birthday celebration. The one and the only Bricks the Magic. What have you done? Mommy, let's talk about my props later, huh? Do not worry. As your mommy says, she will pay for this, okay? So, I'll fix this one for you. Abracadabra, magic wand, release the... Ow! The magic wand, release the... Ow! Ha! Nagumpay isang Goku. Hold right here in the middle. Concentrate and do not break anything. So, mommy will not have to pay for that magic wand because it's time for the... Forget about this. This is the biggest and the strongest magic wand in my box. Of course, I always bring extra magic wand every time I do a show. Bricks, for us to be safe, and your mommy will not pay for this. I'll do it, okay? Now, you just have to blow it. Just like that. I'll hold it for you. Baka masira eh. Okay, blow. Malakas ha. You have to use your diaphragm. Inhale. Just like that. Can you do it? Of course you can. Blow. The magic will happen right after you blow. Okay? Blow. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Blow. Was that you? Oh. Did you just... No. Blow. That was me. I'm sorry, Bricks. Hold the magic wands, Bricks. Point the kids. 1, 2. Hold the magic wand, I said. Point the kids. 1, 2. What's happening here? Just stop the bat 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. Make it faster. Make it harder. Make it stronger. Ow! What are you doing? The magic ropes from the back will turn into a colorful signal we call Canopy. Love your hands together for Bricks. This one is for me. This one is for you. Here's your diploma. Look at the camera and smile. Love your hands together for Bricks, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for helping me get over back your chair because it's time for you to meet some of my good friends. Are you guys ready to meet my friends? Can't hear you. I said yes or no. You have to tell me first. What is this one?
Alexa.
What color? What's inside the orange cup? Orange juice. Orange juice. This is my friend's favorite drink. Paborito yan ng kaibigan.
Ay!
Are you guys ready to meet my friend? Say hi. Hi. Sorry, that's not my friend. Everybody say hello. Hello. We're done in Halloween parties. I just forgot to take up or something like that. Everybody say hi. Huh? That is the reason of the warrior that's down. It's not a rabbit. It's a kind of animal that it starts with letter R. I don't think you're familiar with this. It's not a rabbit. I don't know if you know this one. Okay, you can commonly sing this one sa ano. It's a fourth part. This is my very special friend. His name is Pepe. He's an African raccoon. We've been together for 3 years. Face that way. Pepe is like, what's wrong? Face that way. Pepe is like, what do you like? Stop teasing me. Ano ka ba? Face that way. Pepe is a good friend of mine. It's an African raccoon. What do you like? Corn. And he likes to eat African corn. Gusto mo ng corn? Sige. More. Ano pa? Juice. And he likes to drink orange juice. Everybody say, ha, keep drinking. Everybody say, ano ka ba? Everybody say, ha, hey! Say hi, Pepe. Don't shout his name too loud because Pepe might not. What happened? Pepe! Pepe, wake up! Do not worry. I used to be a veterinarian before. I know what to do. CPR. Okay now? Sa pang, sige. is not real. It's just a puppet. It's made out of spring, and they call this finger puppet. Everybody say finger puppet. Because you have to use your fingers. The pinky finger for the tail, the index and the point finger for the tummy. Then you just have to twist your thumb just like this. See? So it maybe more looks like a ring. But it's not real, huh?
Thank you.
You can touch the nose if you like. Touch the nose. Come on. Don't be scared. Pero fun fact, raccoon can actually fly. Do you want to see him fly? Put your both hands up. I want to hear you say, fly.